Today we're going to bring this metal fence mesh, all right, and this is actually stainless steel and some aluminum, and this is going to go for my gutter, and I'm going to show you the current gutter I have, which is falling apart. I'm going to bring it down so you guys can see it, because we're also going to embed this one in there and set it up. Now what I like about these, that they give you gloves, they give you screws along with the actual extension here, so you can screw the whole thing back up there. We are gonna have to modify and maybe cut it down. What I calculated, it was gonna be 3 of them, so 1 here, 2 and 3 right there. So we might have to cut some of it so it could fit perfectly. So we're gonna try it, and they give you a lot in the box, but I'm only gonna need 3. All right, so let's put it together and see how it looks. All right, this is my mesh I have up here. If you guys can see that, it does work, but it's falling apart already. So I'm gonna take it off, and it's not completed over there, you guys can see, so it's not grabbing on pretty good. I'm gonna take this one off. Oh, that's what we want to slope in here. So because my roof is off, slide it in the bottom. I'm gonna screw it in here with these screws. Perfect. Now I am gonna screw them in here down at the bottom, so these things will move, and this thing's grabbing on. Make sure you're going the right way. I would suggest as an impact. There we go. Let's give me a good straight line. You guys can see the gutter. All right, you can see a straight line now. I went over this mesh here, so the when water comes down, it's gonna come in here. Unfortunately, I could cut it and embed it into the actual shingles, but I prefer this way. And I drilled a couple holes here. I know this is not the proper way, but this is a shorter gutter that I have than compared to a longer metal one. So I was able to actually retrofit it here. It fits perfect. It goes straight down to the water. So any water that comes in here down from the shingles, it's gonna go straight to this mesh. And I like this. I'm gonna replace them. I got plenty more, so I can always replace them. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.